Best way to lose weight is by replacing a few physical activities. Tutorial. Slow and sure, that is the best possible way of going about bringing a change in your body. The rapid and quick way of losing weight in 10 days by drastic measures like cutting your diet will also entail a loss of energy. On the other hand, rapid exercise with the aim of losing weight will lead to stretched muscles, reduced physical fitness and in extreme and rare cases injuries and fitness issues. It is therefore best to design a healthy and scheduled plan for the goal of losing weight so that when you get your body back in shape, your spirits and activities are also at their usual best. With constant and gradual increase in physical activities, one is more likely to start getting back in shape. This increase in activities can be brought about by replacing few practices in daily life. This can be initiated with more walk and less driving, taking the stairs instead of the elevator, participating more in household chores and instead of spending lunch breaks in offices or restaurants, going to parks for a walk and so on. Also, smaller laps of running and exercising at gyms for smaller sessions will be helpful. In order to lose weight efficiently and without losing your energy, slowly increase your levels of activity and decrease the amount of calories that are consumed daily. Fattening food must be avoided and side by side, make it a habit to eat slowly and chew well. Likewise, another time-tested way of reducing weight and regaining shape is to avoid the untimely hunger pangs. To eat only on the designated times will help you reduce the weight in a slow but permanent manner. Drinking alcohol and other carbonated drinks is also a major way of putting on extra calories and weight. While cutting down on this might not be easy, it will be a major step towards a healthy reduction in weight. In the end, remember that the most effective and permanent way of losing weight and toning your body is by changing your lifestyle for the better. I also like to recommend you check out the 4-week diet system. Click the link below this video in the description box for more information today.